Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Streamlight flashlight, anything in the SL20 series or a 9032. I'll go ahead and put in the description all of the flashlights that this will work for, and you need to replace the battery. Now you're going to need to replace the battery if it's not holding a charge anymore. These are rechargeable batteries, but the batteries don't last forever, and you can get a new replacement battery for like about 25 bucks. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get the replacement battery for this. It's an off-brand battery, but it works really well, and it's quite a bit cheaper than the actual Streamlight brand battery. But anyways, all you're gonna have to do is unscrew the bottom there, and then make sure that you put this end with the indentation in going inside. Because the base actually doesn't conduct electricity or anything like that, all of the power comes from the part that goes inside the flashlight. And then screw it back on. And really that's all there is to it. So again, I'll put a list of all the flashlights that this works for in the description, and I'll go ahead and put a link to the battery that you can get in the description as well. So if this helped, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot, have a great day.